Understanding, to be on board with, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or even in the workplace. To be on board with. This expression is a great example of English idiomatic language, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and explore what it means to be on board with something or someone. The phrase, to be on board with, is an idiomatic expression used to indicate agreement, support, or acceptance of an idea, proposal, or plan. When someone says they are on board with something, it means they are willing to support it and go along with it. The origin of this phrase comes from the idea of being on a ship or boat, implying that everyone is together, moving in the same direction or towards a common goal. To better understand how to use to be on board with, let's look at some examples. In the workplace, our team is on board with the new project plan. We're all excited to get started. In personal relationships, I'm glad you're on board with the idea of moving to a new city. It means a lot to me. In decision-making, once we explained the benefits, everyone was on board with the changes. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, emphasizing agreement and support. Using to be on board with correctly involves expressing your acceptance or agreement with a certain idea or plan. It's important to note that this phrase is generally used in more informal settings, such as conversations among friends or colleagues. However, it can also be seen in formal business settings to convey unity and agreement. To frame your sentences correctly, you can follow this structure. I am on board with idea, plan, or are you on board with idea, plan, for questions. And that wraps up our guide on the phrase, to be on board with. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use this expression effectively in your English conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is key to sounding more like a native speaker and enriching your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you with more English language tips in our future videos. Happy learning!